Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Last time I made homemade taco sauce, so today we're putting it to use. I'm making taco flatbread pizzas. Let's see what we're gonna need. I have a stack of nice warm flatbreads. If you'd like to see how to make these, the link to this video is at the end of this one as well as in the description box below. My oven is already preheating to 425 degrees. I've got my taco sauce, refried beans, taco meat, black olives, green onions, and cheddar cheese. Once these come out of the oven, we'll be finishing them with sour cream and a little more taco sauce. Let's put these pizzas together. I have my half baking sheet covered with just a little bit of aluminum foil. That's mostly just for cleanup. We're going to start with refried beans. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of taco sauce down on the bottom. And I'm just smoothing it out just a little bit. You really can do this in any order, but I am putting the cheese down next. Next, I'm putting down some taco meat. Next up, some sliced black olives. I'm putting my green onions on now before it goes in the oven. If you don't like your onions cooked, you can wait and put them on afterwards. Or if you don't like green onions, you don't even have to use them at all. It's time to give our taco flatbread pizzas a taste. I know they're good, of course, because of course I've had them before. Still nice and warm. Mushu. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.